Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch module up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is March 17, 2024, Sunday, weekends. Yes, you all know what we put in weekends. We put the 3 videos or 3 parts of videos covering global markets, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P FTSE and CBOE weeks in first video or part 1 of the video. In part 2 of the video, we discuss, or second video, we discuss about dollar index and its components, and in the final video, we discuss about US 10-year Treasury yield, Brent and NYMEX. Of course, we are going to discuss this for the previous week, that is for the week ending, week of March 11th Monday till March 15, 2024 Friday. So first the levels, then we go into the discussion part of it. So this is part 1 of the video where we'll be discussing about indices. Dow closed at 38,714.77, flat, because last week it was 723, this week it is 714. That means in 1 week it has done nothing. And Nasdaq, it closed at 15,973.17, 0.7% down, slightly down. S&P 5117.09, 0.1% down, while it is almost flat. Okay. FTSE on the other hand, 0.9%, almost 1% up, 7727.42. Overall in this year, calendar year, Dow is up 2.7%, while Nasdaq is up 6.5%, S&P is up 7.3%, FTSE is almost flat. Last year it closed at 7733, now it is 7727. So now let's go into the discussion part of it. The discussion will categorize into 2 segments, 2 brackets or 2 segments. One is the Dow, S&P and Nasdaq, because the movements are identical and similar, and the second one is FTSE, and the last one is CBOE weeks. Right? Dow, Nasdaq, S&P in the weekly chart, it formed a spinning top or a doji, spinning top with a slightly upper wick. What it means, it went above, from there it got a push down. So that is what it is. In the weekly chart it has formed. If you recollect, last week itself we had said that it formed the first reversal in the weekly chart. Hence, like what you call, it is more of a continuation pattern. But this week's candle looks like it can either continue and fall for 1 more week, or if a short covering, good short covering can come, probably you can have some good up move. In the monthly chart till now, in fact, S&P has found a perfect doji last week and this week also. In the monthly chart, all 3 indices has formed a spinning top till now, but it is below the Bollinger upper band. There are 2 ways in which it can close the month. At the month, if it gets more power during the month end, it can go up all the way and touch the Bollinger upper band and close in the monthly chart, or it can start falling. But whatever it happens, the up move is slowly getting stagnated, or the bulls are getting fatigued. Bears are starting slowly, they are getting slight amount of control. Notwithstanding what might happen next week, my position is that it is anybody who wants to go long at this stage has to be extremely careful. So this is what in the monthly chart. In the daily chart, when I analyze the key levels of Bollinger Middle Band and the exponential moving average, 20-day exponential moving average has been broken down. So Bollinger Middle Band is broken down. However, the kind of candle it has formed, it's in a precariously position. That is what I would say. Why? Because if a good short covering comes, it can go all the way and touch the Bollinger Middle Band, and then it can start going up also. Or if it falls, if it opens gap down on Monday or even at the same level, and if it falls, it can all the way go near the Bollinger lower band and even go near the 50-day simple moving average and 50-day exponential moving average. When I say it is for Dow, Nasdaq and S&P, all these three indices, right? So hence no, it's very critical how it opens on Monday and how it closes on Monday, and next week's movement is very, very important for the entire month's movement. Now let's go into FTSE. FTSE on the other hand, if you recollect, last week it formed a solid red candle, third week in succession but with a long lower wick. We had categorically told that there is rising three methods, which is a short covering rally that will come. Exactly that came, and it formed a good solid bullish engulf kind of candle, solid green candle, and closed powerfully in the monthly. If you recollect, last week itself we had said, I would request people to go and see my old videos. We had said that the 50-week simple moving average and 50-week exponential moving average is acting as a fantastic support for FTSE. Hence now from there it bounced, and in the monthly chart, though last week it was slightly lower, we had said that last month it closed forming a Doji, and in the month of January solid red candle. So it is typically a morning star. That is what is going to happen. Till now it has formed morning star, and the month end also it will close by forming a morning star. That means our position we have been telling since June onwards, July 2023 onwards, that FTSE year 2024 is going to be a year of FTSE. One can see that it is going to have a nice upward move in the second half or probably the next quarter itself. We can have a good up move. The CBOE VIX on the other hand, it closed at 14.41. It formed a solid red candle. Last week, if you recollect, it formed a bullish engulf. This week it opened a gap up, touching the Bollinger upper band, but it couldn't break past that, but it formed a red candle, but it is not a reversal candle. It is more of a continuation pattern. In the monthly chart, till now it has formed a small spinning top, a green spinning top you can call if you want. In the daily chart, of course, though it fell, Thursday and Friday it started moving up. So we had stated very clearly that the levels of 9.8 to 10.2 will act as a very good support, and it never went there. And this year CBOE VIX in the second half we expect it to have a good up move. Thank you very much. We will see in second part of the video.